Hi, it's Joan. This week we're looking at partnerships and the time when both sides are in the bidding. I don't think there's any area of bidding where you need to be more working succinctly with your partner as when two sides are battling for the contract. If you don't play your part and help partner who might have overcalled or made a takeout double, well, you won't reach the contract because you've got two sides fighting for it. Of course, the length of the trump fit is the most important thing, but when the bidding goes one heart and partner says double and the next hand passes, you do need to be precise about your points and you would bid your longest suit, and the point range is 0 to 8, 9 to 11, or 12 plus. Sometimes, though, you've got a 5 or a 6 card suit. I would weigh heavily the fact that you've got length, and I would jump even if I didn't have such a good hand if, say, I had a 6 card suit, because it will work better with partner. If you've got 6 and partner had 3 or 4, that makes up for not having high card points. So it's up to you, but do look at the length in your longest suit, and 4 cards in it is not usually worth a jump, but 5 or 6 certainly is, even if you don't have the points required. Give it a go. Try the hand I've given you, which has both points and length. Have a great week. Partner has doubled West's 1 spade opening. So partner has an opening hand, probably 4 hearts, and a shortage in spades. When we have length in a suit, 5 hearts in this case, it's a good idea to jump a level of the bidding. We also have an ace, a king, and a queen, as well as 5 hearts. So it would be an underbid to bid 2 hearts, because 2 hearts might be 0 points. Remember, the double is forcing us to bid when the next hand passes. So to do justice to this hand, we need to bid 3 hearts, 9 to 11, 4 or 5 trumps, and partner goes to 4. So let's make our plan. It's looking good. We've got 2 spade losers, 1 club loser, and hopefully no heart losers, because we've got ace, king, queen, and we have 9 of them. Could anything go wrong? Well, we know for sure that the West hand has at least 5 spades. They might have 6. So follow suit. And now we see they must have started with 6 spades because the queen has appeared. It could be queen, jack, and another, but it's more likely that opener has started. Yeah, there's the jack. We know, therefore, that East's spade holding was a doubleton. Now, here's a problem. If we trump this high, then East will discard. If we trump it low, East will over trump. Then we'll lose 2 spades, 1 club, and 1 over trump. So that won't work. And trumping high may not work either if the trumps don't break 2-2. Because if they break 3-1 and we trump with the ace, which we sort of have to, if we're going to not lose a trump trick, we can't trump low, we've got to trump high if we trump at all. And that might set up a trump promotion. If East or West started with Jack 10-9 or Jack 10x of hearts, this is a worry. So the answer to this is to make a loser on loser play and don't trump at all. Lose the club. We were always losing. Now they play a club, we can win the king, and now touch trumps. Let's see how they were breaking. There's the 9, there's the 10. So in fact the trumps did break 3-1. But we can safely make this contract now. because we've removed the trump, we've only got winners left. Sometimes these situations are hard to see, and it sometimes surprises us that we go down on a contract we thought we were going to make. So here, if you trump with the 2 on the 3rd spade, they will over trump with the 9. If we trump with the ace, they won't trump at all. East will discard, and then they've got the Jack 10 9 left, and although we would then play the king and the queen, their Jack would make a trick. So we must avoid a trump promotion by East-West, and the way to do that is to make a loser on loser play. Throw the club away, lose the spade, lose 3 spades, and that's all we lose.